In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in Notion. Whether you're collaborating with a team, working on a project alone, or simply want to keep notes for yourself, adding comments can be incredibly useful. It's a straightforward process that allows you to provide feedback, ask questions, or even remind yourself of essential details later on. So, let's dive right in and learn how to seamlessly add comments to your Notion pages. To begin, the first step you need to take is to open the page containing the text you'd like to comment on. Notion allows you to organize your thoughts in a highly flexible manner, so make sure you've navigated to the right page where your content is located. If you manage numerous pages, using the search function can be a real time saver. Once you've located the correct page, click to open it, and you'll be ready to proceed. Now that your page is open, the next thing you'll want to do is highlight the specific text that you intend to comment on. Simply click, hold, and drag over the text with your mouse or trackpad. Highlighting text is a crucial step because it tells Notion exactly where you want your comment to appear. This ensures that your feedback or notes are crystal clear and contextually linked to the exact part of the text you're discussing. As soon as you've highlighted the text, you'll notice that a floating toolbar appears just above it. This toolbar is packed with useful options for formatting and interacting with your text, reflecting Notion's versatility. Among these options, you'll see the comment button. It might look like a small speech bubble or something similar. Go ahead and click on this. When you do, a text box will appear, ready for your input. In this text box, simply type out your comment. This is where you can jot down your thoughts, feedback, or any questions you might have. It's like a virtual sticky note attached directly to the words you're focusing on. Take your time to craft your comment precisely how you want it. Notion supports various text formats within comments, so if you'd like to use bold or italics to emphasize a point, feel free to do so. Once you're satisfied with the text of your comment, the final step is to send it. You can do this by clicking the Send button. Alternatively, if you prefer shortcuts and want to save a bit of time, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will post your comment and make it visible in your Notion workspace. It's now accessible to anyone else who has access to the page, allowing for an engaging and informative collaborative experience. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to add comments within Notion. By incorporating comments, you're enriching your workspace and enhancing communication. Whether you're working solo or as part of a team, this feature can greatly improve how ideas are shared and acted upon. So, give it a try and see the difference it makes in your productivity and collaboration.